This is the weird video that made MrBeast famous. In 2017, he spent 40 hours counting to 100,000 on camera, just to test a theory about YouTube. Back then, Jimmy Donaldson wasn't MrBeast. He was a teenager with a failing YouTube channel, almost no views, no money, and years of videos nobody watched. Most creators would quit. Jimmy did something different. He started studying the algorithm. For months, he analyzed viral videos, why people clicked, why they stayed, why they shared. And he discovered something powerful. The YouTube algorithm doesn't reward effort, it rewards retention. If people keep watching, YouTube keeps recommending. So Jimmy asked a strange question. What kind of video would make people unable to click away? Then he found the answer. Start something so ridiculous, people need to see if it actually finishes. So he turned on a camera and began counting to 100,000. It took 40 hours. 40 hours of filming, 40 hours of editing, 40 hours of his life. If the video failed, all of that time was gone. No views, no growth, no future on YouTube. But Jimmy believed the experiment would work, and the internet couldn't stop watching. The video exploded, millions of views. For the first time, his channel finally had momentum. MrBeast didn't go viral by accident. He understood something most creators still miss. He didn't chase views. He engineered curiosity. That 40-hour video wasn't just content, it was a calculated bet. A bet that extreme effort could create unfair attention. And that idea eventually built one of the biggest channels on YouTube. All because one creator was willing to try a crazy idea.